Okay, we go there in the normal distribution, normal curve. Okay, do you see this one? Okay, and then this one is our kurtosis, no? Okay, we discussed that. I think it will be after periodical already, no? Hold on. Okay, this is the example that I want you to be actually doing. And I think I want to see this in your thesis, baby thesis, okay? Okay, we have here the standard normal distribution. Okay, we have a normal curve here. Obviously, the mean here is 0. No? This is the standard normal distribution itself, right? Okay, having the 0 in the middle, and then you see away from it, it's a standard away from the mean to your left, no? -1, and then standard away to your right is of course 1. Okay, the representation of the red area, tignan nyo siya, no? Sabi dyan, it's in between -1, less than. Okay, less than, no? And then z, and then less than, and then 1, no? This is the representation of the area. Okay, so it means to say the area is in between -1 and 1. Okay, take note of that. And then we know, of course, no, the area is actually what do you call this one? Measured in terms of 100%. Tama ba si Sir Romel? Or 1, no? We use it in the probability, it's 1. You see this one, no? Okay, so say -1 is equal to 15.87%. Maliit ba o malaki? Lakihan natin, sorry. Okay, so we go there, no? So of course, this one is seen in your Z table, no? Hello po, ha? Pag kayo hindi kasama pa rin sa periodical ito, ha? Pag hindi nakikinig, wala. Okay. So this one, 0.1587 is equal to 15.87%. Am I right? Okay, that is Z equals -1. Representation of that is from this tail up to this -1, right? Tama ba si Sir Romel? Hanggang dito, ha? Okay, from this left tail up to -1. That's 15.87. And then for Z is equal to 1, the percentage or the area is from this tail up to this one, it's 84.13%, right? Then how do we actually solve for this area? It must be represented this way, no? Okay, you see, P there is a representation of probability. Kaya may P dyan, ha? Hindi yan representation ng normal curve. But we are talking the same, no? The same context. Okay, P. P, okay, this is the area representing that red area equals probability. Okay, probability of that area is equal to, of course, the big area first, no? Which one is the bigger area in here, between the two? Of course, the 84.13, no? So 0.8413 minus, because that is the area from there to there, from tail to 1, kuha, tapos minus, okay, probability of this area, itong 15.87, from this tail to that one, we'll just remove the white one, no? You see, the bigger area is from that tail to this one, and then the smaller area is just removing the white one from this tail up to this one, no? The white one. So we're covering everything, no? The red area. Tama ba si Sir Romel? Okay. And then you see representation also of those two areas, no? Okay. Mag-i-split lang siya. Okay. So just get the Z is less than 1, no? Probability of Z is less than 1. Bigger yun, ha? So from here, from this tail, this area up to that one, ito po yan, no? Mas malaki muna. Minus probability of this area, the white one, is Z less than negative 1, no? Okay. So this 1 and negative 1 are actually seen there in your normal curve, no? Okay, 1 here pertains to this 1 here, and then this negative 1 there is pertaining to that negative 1, Z score there, no? Okay. And then what is the area of the red one? Just deduct this one. It's 0.6826. Okay, so familiarize yourself writing this one, no? Having this one from now on. Okay, ano pa? So we know this one, no? So we are getting this area. Sorry. Okay, this is a representation actually, no? Okay, so the probability of Z less than 1 is this area, no? From here. And then this probability of Z less than negative 1 is this white here, no? This one. Okay? So the whole area, deduct the white one there, and then you'll have the red area here, which is 68.26. Did you get it? Is it clear? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Nakuha? Okay. Kung nakuha, sige. Let me have this spinned. Sorry, snipped. Okay, let's snip tool this one. Then I'll provide. Parang mali. Okay, sige, later on, no, I'll snip this one. I'm not in my house. I'm actually in the house of your former elementary teacher, no? Ma'am Mylene Apostol. You know her? Yes, you do, no? Sabi niya, kilala niya raw kayong lahat. Okay, sige. Nasaan na si Sir Roman? Okay, so I do have another one, no? Okay, let's have this one. How do we get this one, no? Okay, of course. This one is a representation of paano, no? Okay. So, ang representation nito ay from 0 to 2.34, no? Tama ba si Sir? Yes. Okay. So, probability of that red area is from 0, Z score. Okay. And then equal to is um, included, no? Less than or equal to. Okay, it means to say it's involving the 0 itself. When you have this kasi, it's not, no? Okay, it means to say that the line itself here is not included. That's why it's less than, no? Sabi dyan, the area lang dito, no? Area in white. Pero tingnan nyo, wala siyang border na black, no? Kaya nga siya ay less than lang dito. But if you put, okay, this one, less than or equal to, it means to say that is there must be a mark there, no? Means that the boundary, including that 0 is included. For this one, again, it's not included, no? Negative 1 is not included, and then 1 is not included. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, it's point something, negative point something, up to point something, but not 1, but negative 1. But for this one now, it means to say that 0 and 2.34 as their boundaries is actually included. Okay? That's the difference between having a greater than or less than with that of that equal sign in it. Did you get that? Okay, mag-question lang kayo dyan, ha? Okay, so the area of this one, of course, no? Check the area representation of your, okay, which one is greater in here, no? From the left tail going there, of course, 2.34 will represent, no? The biggest, sorry, the bigger area, okay? Between what? Probability of 0 and 2.34. What is less than or equal to, huh? Okay, mag-i-split lang sila. Okay, you will be having difficulty here, no? Which one will be first and which one is the second, no? In here. Kasi this is subtraction, no? So please, no, see to it that you are familiar with your curve, no? The area representation from this tail left up to the 2.34 is of course this one, no? Okay, probability Z less than or equal to 2.34. And then you check your table, it's 0.9904. I do not have table here, ha? It's up to you to use it. Tignan natin kung gaano kayo kagagaling, no? So I'm saying that your offline quiz, there are no quiz now na live, no? Or online. No more, no? I'll give you your quizzes. It's time for you to actually redeem yourself. So I'll give quizzes. I think it's 1 to 3, 1 up to 3 until we have the periodical. They will all be offline. But take note of my due time submission, no? It will be sent to our GC. Take note of that. Hindi porket offline siya, magustuhan nyo lang, no? Okay, so from that tail to 2.34, that's bigger area. And then from this tail up to 0, okay, is the smaller area, it's 0.5. Deduct that, then this red area is 0.9404. That is the probability answer for between, no? 0 less than or equal to Z. This one. Z score is between 0 and 2.34. But exclusive. When you say exclusive, we do not uh, we did not allow 0 and 2.34 in ay we allow pala, sorry, because of the equal sign, no? Okay? So this one now, this is easy, no? From 2.58 to 0. Okay, bakit kaya meron pang kinuha dito? Nakikita nyo ba yung area doon na white, no? Okay, white. And of course, no, there is a boundary for 2.58 negative, no? Okay, why? Because we told, no, that a normal curve is ever asymptotic, no? When you say asymptotic, that curve will never touch that seems x-axis, no? That horizontal line. Okay, it will extend, no, in infinity, but it will not touch the x-axis or that horizontal line. That is one of the characteristics of your normal curve. Okay, therefore, boundaries there, no? And you are seeing almost there's no area, no? Between the infinity and negative 2.58. But there is, no? Check your table. There is. So bigger is from that tail up to 0, it's 0.5. We say, no? It's half. Okay, and then bigger, no? And then 0.0049 is the representation of that probability z less than negative 2.58. Of course, for your probability z less than 0, it's 0.5, no? Kalahati na kaagad yan. Okay? But this time, there is no equal sign, no? Equal sign is that, ito po, ha? Okay, less than or equal ang tawag dyan. Hindi yan sabing less than lang, no? Okay, less than lang. Hindi. Okay? If you have that equal sign, it involves that boundary 0 and 2.34. In here, you don't have equal sign for less than, so it does not involve negative 2.58, but after 2.58. In here, it does not involve 0 itself, but after 0 going to your left. No? So therefore, this red is 0.4951.4904. Nakuha? Okay, yan lang yung given, no? Letter A, letter B. Ayan, ganyan ang bibigay ko sa inyo. Okay? Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo? Okay, thumbs up. Yung mga tulog dyan, no? Nagpapalaki ng height. Sige, bahala kayo dyan, no? Okay? Okay, that's enough. We go to the assignment now, no? Okay, so that we will be fast, I will not select one from you who has the best assignment. I never check pa naman. Okay? It's a post-checking that I will do. Okay, let's have the Excel now. Okay? So, I want to go there first in the textbook. Now, this is your assignment. Okay, this is but third part of your assignment. Okay, because the first part is that, okay, I want to actually recall, no? Okay, we want to recall. This is but ungrouped data, no? And then before, we dealt with this group and ungroup. This is group, no? Okay, so I did ask from you to check this computation. It arrived to this 4.9 skewness. And by the way, sige, what is the formula again of the skewness? Open your mic. I'll give recitation grade.
Sir,
What is okay,
3
Aliyah?
times 3 open parentheses mean minus median, and then close parentheses divided by standard deviation.
Okay, don't forget that, no? Very good. So again, it's sk, small sk, is equal to 3 times open and close parentheses. Inside it is a mean minus median over the standard deviation. Did you get that? Okay, you have a struggle, no? Ayan na naman kayo. You have a struggle having the median. Okay? Okay. Alam ko sa inyo, magagaling na. Meron nag-advance sa inyo, may data analysis na ginagawa. Parang si John Rain yata yun. I do not know, no? Meron siyang ginagawang equals. Nakita ko yung Excel niya before when he passed his assignment, his work. Okay. So, in advance, meron na kayong nalalaman about data analysis? I do not know. Maybe. Let's find out. Okay. Median is, let's find out, no? How do we recall it? Okay. So, do you remember this one, no? Okay. So, this one is your score. Sorry ha, iba yung Excel ni ma'am. Okay. So, parang nag-pixelize dito. Okay. But this one is, of course, X. This is mean, no? X. You have the segment up. X segment up is equal to summation. And then X, no? Summation of X over M. That's for the mean, no? Okay, sige. Let's have this one first, no? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, recall this. Oh, what are you going to actually do? Paano yun nire-recall yung sinasabi ko? Recall this. Huwag yung tititigan yan. If you do have the formula, then recall what Sir Rommel sent you, no? Of course, you can retrieve, no? The Excel record itself. No? I do have this one. I'm sending this one, no? Okay, so recall that. So I made this one for you. Okay? Yung iba nagtatanong pa, Sir, paano po standard deviation? Naku po, galing nga sa variance. No? Kinalimutan nyo na ba? Paano yan? Sige, let's recall. Okay, given this. Okay, given that. Saan na naman galing yan? Hilo na naman sila. Galing po yan dito, no? Okay, dito muna tayo sa ungroup. data, no? You see this one is actually increasing, no? Going left. Okay, from 80 to 96, we have that, no? From 80 to 96, how many scores do we have there, or height, no? It is a height. Okay, so set that column. Okay, I'm just counting this one, but this one is actually your height, no? Height is in centimeter. Okay, so do you recall this, no? Sum divided by n. That's your mean, no? That's 91.13. Mean is x, a segment on top of it. Okay, so this one is actually the score. The score minus the mean gives you this one, no? Again, I score minus the mean here. Ito na kaagad, no? Ayaw na ni Sir Romel makita yung 91.13. Some of you are actually inserting a score here, sorry, a column here that have 91.13 there, no? But for me, no, no? I'll direct type it here in the formula equals, go there and then 91.13. And then what happened here? Okay, you just raise this to 2, no? 11.13, but that is a negative. Raised to 2, it gives me this one. So basically, these are just formula, okay, for Excel. Pag ayaw nyo gumamit, wala akong magagawa, no? Okay, is there any application of Excel to you? Yes, meron po. Mind you, no? Makikinig kayo, no? Tinuturuan na kayo ni Sir Romel ng basic Excel. Okay? Pero yung iba dyan, they intend to ignore me, no? You are not trying. Those ones that I'm, what do you call this? Imparting you about Excel. Napakadali na nagagawin dyan, no? Sa Excel, hindi nyo tinatry. So, kailan kayo mag-aaral ng Excel? Pag magtatrabaho na kayo. Baka nga, after me, wala na magtuturo sa inyo ng Excel, no? Okay, let's go. 1208. Okay. So what I'm going to be actually having here, this column, just add everything there, and then you have the summation, no? Summation of that column. You see this one, no? Okay, dinagdagan ko lang ng summation. This one, dinagdagan ko lang ng summation. It pertains to that, no? Summing up everything there in that column. And then, if I'm going to be actually dividing this total over, okay, sige. Saan ko i-divide to? Class? Saan ko i-divide so I can get variance? Sige nga, can you recall? Again, open your mind. Saan ko i-divide ito para makakuha ako ng variance? Sir? Yes, sino to? Yuka.
Sa n-1 po.
Very good. Kung ang n mo ay 15, I'll just deduct 15 minus 1. No? A 1 from that 15, it becomes 14. You check my formula, no? Okay, divided by 14, no? Okay, that is variance. And mind you, palabasin ko nga ito sa exam. Okay. Saan na gagaling ang standard deviation computation? Sige, go. Very good, Yuka, no? Aliyah, meron kayong points sa akin. Saan nanggagaling? Sa dito. Dito, no? Okay. Wide open. Make your eyes wide open. Saan nanggagaling yung S dyan? Sa computation na to. Open your mouth. Bilis. Oh, may manggagaling dyan, no? Computation for standard deviation. Nakalimutan na? Tinuro ko yan eh. Saan magagaling yung standard deviation? One from them, no? I do have the two summations. May variance na ako. Dinivide ko yung 14, no? It's n minus 1. From this summation column, Okay. Saan magagaling yung standard deviation? Naku, ayaw nila ng points. Open your mic. Wala na. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, sige. Alina, Venice.
A square root po yung variance.
Very good. That's what I'm waiting, no? Square root lang yung variance. Oh. Kaya tingnan yung formula ko dun, square root, di ba? Okay. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, lahat ng mga discussions ko dyan na Excel file itself, dapat pag hindi nyo naiintindihan, dapat nag-F2 lang kayo dyan, no? F2. Ay, formula pala to ni Sir, no? Okay. Siyempre kayo, pag gumawa kayo nito, no? Dahil siyempre, hindi pa kayo familiar sa Excel, ang ginagawa nyo, tinatype nyo lang siya, parang ginagawa nyo Word ng Excel. Pero si Sir Romel, siyempre, no? Okay. Yung file na yun, I'm giving you the file, you check, no? Okay, you check, use F2. Sir Romel is doing something there. It's F2. Ay, meron siyang formulang ginagamit. Okay. So therefore, 4.9 is there, no? Why are we solving 4.9? It's part of the SK, the skewness, right? Okay, I do have the mean. I do have the standard deviation, that is 4.9, not the variance, but 4.9. Okay, isa na lang kailangan ko. Okay? Ito yung median, no? Median. Ito ay 92. Paano kinukuha yan? Okay? Sa group, ungroup ito, no? Just make sure that you are to arrange it from highest to low, from lowest to highest rather, no? And then the very middle of it is what you call the median. Okay, so for this one, it's not, of course, the 8. It's 92, the score, no? That's why it's 92 there, no? Okay, and then 91.13, your mean minus your median coming from here, this gold here, will be multiplied, of course, the difference of the times 3 over the 4.9, that is a standard deviation, and you'll get a negative skewness, no? Negative skewness, that is negative 0.53, no? Okay, so again, you need your median here, no? Ito yan. Okay. So, tingnan nyo, no? What will be the difference of those people using the Excel versus those who are using paper pen, no? My God. Okay? Patapos na ang 2022. Nagsosolve pa rin kayo. Sila tapos na sa Excel nila. Tama ba dyan, Rain? Okay. Ganyan na magiging difference, no? Kaya kung never kayong gumamit ng Excel, it's up to you, no? Okay. So I'm okay with this one now, no? Okay, and I say it's moderately skewed to the left, no? So I send this to you. That's negative 0.53. Bakit siya hindi, it's near, no? It's near negative 0.5. And it's near approximately symmetric. It's between this one, no? Between negative 0.5 and 0.5. And we say it's approximately. Bakit yan hindi approximately symmetric? Okay. Because of the number 0.03, no? Okay, it makes the difference. 0.053. Ako ha? Kaya siya moderately skewed to the left. Ito siya. Under moderately skewed, but it's to the left, pero it's so moderate. No? Okay, nandito siya. Between negative 1 and negative 0.5. Ayan siya, no? Ayan. Okay. So if you want to actually create a partition of this one, the skewness, pwede mong gawin ito, no? Okay. Beyond negative 1, And then partition will be up to negative 0.5, no? Okay, and then hindi ko sisend sa inyo to, ha? Okay, bahala kayo. Okay, so negative 1, partition, and then partition. Okay, this one is now a 0, no? And then partition, it's 0.5. And then partition, it is 1, no? Okay, beautifully, I know that, no? Naintindihan ko yan. Ewan ko sa inyo kung paano hindi naintindihan. No? So, kung beyond nito, negative 1, beyond 1, it says it's highly skewed, no? But take note, if your skew is, of course, a negative 1.01, that is considered already, no? You start with that one. Negative 1.01 below, no? This left side is we call highly skewed to the left. And beyond this one, it's 1.01. This is above. Dapat above to, no? Below and above. Okay? Below this one, it's 1.01 up. Okay, that is a skewness that is highly skewed to the right. Okay? Can we picture now what is skewness, no? Okay, it's not a normal curve anymore. It is, no? Okay, it's still a normal curve, but meron lang difference, no? Ay, hindi pala, sorry. Okay, when we say normal curve, it's approximately symmetric. But make sure that it's close to 0, no? Okay, because the closest to 0 is, of course, we say it's normal curve, no? Almost. Because 0, of course, is a normal curve. Remember, no? Remember that one. Okay, let's go. So for this one, it is there, no? Bahala kayo mag-memorize. It's 0.53. It's there, no? Between negative 1 and 0.5 negative. So therefore, this range here from negative 1 to 0.5, or between that, in between those, negative 1 and negative 0.5, it is considered a moderately skewed. No? Moderately skewed. Okay, bahala na kayo dyan, no? Kasi you cannot memorize this all, no? Unless, you know, kokopya kayo. Meron ng quiz. Okay, let's go. It's 12:18. I'm running out of time now, no? Then you check also this one. That is, by the way, recalling, no, what we did in Excel, no? And then in your Genio, it says there, ito siya, no? Okay. How can you solve skewness? Solve the mean first, no? Ito yung mga hindi gumagamit ng Excel. This is your choice. Baka bagal kayo like turtle. And then over 15, it gives you this one. Middle value is, of course, the very middle. Arrange it from lowest to highest. And then this one. You'll be having struggle in this one. No? Okay, you see. All of this number here and this number there, magkakaroon kayo ngayon ng computation. No? Okay, but this computation of the standard deviation will need what? So, kailangan nyo pa rin, no? Kailangan nyo pa rin ng Excel para mas mabilis kayo. Excel na yan, no? Kapag paper yan, naku, patay. Okay? So, ano nangyari dito? Okay. Sa iba na kasi yung Excel. Sorry. Send ko na lang yung lecture ko, ha? Okay. The whole. Ito mismo, no? Okay. Ito mismong file. Okay, send ko na lang. So I need this, I need that. I only need these two. No? Okay. I'm just raising to power of 2 the x there. And I need this only. Okay, and then I could have this, no? Paano kaya, no? Okay, tingnan niyo siya, no? Sabi dito, summation of x squared. So I need the summation of this, no? Okay. this summation of x squared. But where is x squared coming from? You just square the score, no? Square the square. And then this is your summation of x squared. And then this one, minus, no? But of course, n, we know that, no? It's 15. 15, 15, 15 minus 1, no? So this is 15 times 14. This is 15 times the summation of that x squared, this one, no? Summation of this column. And then, we need another one, no? Okay, are you listening? This summation of x is different, no? From this one. So you just need summation of x, no? Then you go there. What is summation of x? This one, no? Okay, ito. Sorry po, nagkagulo na dito. Okay. Ganun po talaga kasi pag gumagamit ka ng Windows 10, tapos nakigamit ka ng Windows 7, no? Nagkakagulo, no? Okay, hindi sila match. Okay, so dito meron akong kinompute dito, no? So ano yung computation ko? I just need the summation here, no? Summation of that x. It's 1367. And then, that 1367, it's there, no? Hindi ko siya mapakita. Raise it to 2. Okay, yan siya. Okay? Okay, tignan yung... Okay, tignan nyo dyan yung... Okay. Natawa naman ako niya sa genyo nyo, no? Unawain nyo na lang yan, no? So, 1367, I got that from there, no? This column, summation of 1367 there. Raise it to 2. Okay, raise that to 2. Yan ang ibig sabihin niyan, no? And then, you operate this, no? Multiply n, summation of that, minus, and that one. You have to have this one, no? Okay, squared. Square, ha? Hindi square. Squared. Sorry, squared. Pareho. Divided by that 15 times 14, no? And then you get 4.9. Are they getting the same? Yes, no? Okay, the difference between the two is that we have this before. Ito yung sinasabi ko kasi sa inyo, no? Okay. Explore po kayo, no? Okay. So we have that before. Which one is convenient for you, no? Okay. This old, okay, discussion, or the new one being introduced to you by Genio in this manner, no? Having this one, no? Having this one. Because of course, having this one, you need to actually sum up the scores there, the heights there, no? Kasi nga, summation. So you have to have this show up, no? Okay, you must show these ones. Okay, ang kailangan mo dyan, summation, no? Ayan siya. Okay? Okay. So, do we have the same? Yes, we have the same, no? But we still need to do it using the Excel, no? So, this one. Okay? Yan yung difference ng dalawa, no? Okay, ito before, ito yung bago. Using only 2 columns, but I am using a formula for the standard deviation. Kakaiba, no? Okay. Kaya nga si Sir Romel, sorry, wala nag-shrink, nawala rito, nag-disappear. Okay, ito yung computation ko based on that textbook, no? Of my standard deviation. Okay, are they the same? Yes, no? They are giving 4.9 standard deviation the same. They will give you 4.9. That's why I use it here, and it gave me negative 0.53, no? Okay, nakuha? Nakuha, class? Naintindihan? Okay. So, explore nyo lang yung sarili nyo. Huwag kayong mahihirapan, no? Summation is so easy to actually deal with. Why? Summation lang yan eh. Ba't ka matatakot? Summation nga lang yan eh. I-add mo lang yung sa row na yan, no? It's up to you to actually figure out, explore what that formula is saying, no? Okay. Naintindihan? So, meron na akong dalawa, no? Okay. Meron akong dalawa doon. Okay, now, I'll leave this to you. Okay, kung paano ginawa ni Sir, no? Ito yung B, pwede nyo siyang gawin, no? In that manner also. Pero, ang ginawa ni Sir, ni-recall ko yung ating ito siya, no? I-recall ko yung ating ginawa. Kasi, syempre, ginawa natin ito no? Bakit na naman nag-i-introduce si Genyo ng iba, no? Okay, I'm just checking also if the new discussion about the same thing is similar. So, kung maalala nyo ito, gumawa tayo ng ganitong table. Okay, and then, gumawa tayo nito, no? Okay, why? Kasi kailangan natin yung median computation. See? There's big difference between the two, no? If you're dealing the ungroup, I think it will be so easy. And then for the this group, ungroup pala to, ungroup. If you're dealing this group, there is but big difference between the two, no? You see, your median is just identifying which is in the middle, no? But this one, it will be so difficult now, no? Okay, you have to actually recall, no? How P50 is percentile 50 and it is equivalent to your median, no? We all know that, no? P50 is equal to median. How do you compute it, no? I also gave this to you, no? Recall everything that I gave you. Andyan siya, no? Okay, do the same. Okay, take a glance of this one. This is how you do it. And then you can have there in the very end variance and standard deviation also, no? Using this one. Okay, do you recall this? Okay, bakit kailangan na naman ito? Kasi nga, kailangan mo ng P50 is equal to median, the score itself, no? Or the weight itself. It says here it's weight, no? You need that in your skewness 3 times the difference of the mean minus median over the standard deviation. And I checked it, no? It's 0.04. It's the same, no? But yeah, I have to have this used, no? Okay. So don't shy away yourself, no? Solving the median in another. Bahala kayo. Bahala kayo explore. Explore the group data, having a median, a different median formula. It's up to you. If you do not want this is not useful to you. But I gave you this and this one that I did in the Excel is based from here. This one is from your textbook. It's up to you, no? Look for the other formula for the median. Why? Because of course we need that, no? The median. Okay? For the group, it's so easy to determine the mean, no? Divide this part by your n, no? N is 100 there. And then, of course, this will give us the variance. Divide this by 99, no? And it will give you that one. Okay. Intindihan? Okay. And then I check it also, no? Okay. I check it with this one. Even check this. Okay, go. Wow, no? So I check this. And then, okay. Standard deviation is 2.97. You just have to modify this one, no? Modify this one. Okay, remember in the group data, there is but a frequency column, no? Just insert their f. F, x squared. This one is summation of fx. Lagyan nyo lang ng f, no? Before the x. And you can actually use this, no? It gives you standard deviation for that group data, this group data. Okay, lalagyan nyo lang ng f, no? Kasi walang sinabi dyan eh. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Pag inedit ko tong libro na to, hindi ito papasa sa akin. No? Hindi yan papasa. Standard deviation, nag-compute 2.97. Okay, anong formulang ginamit? Ito ba? Parehong ito? No, hindi yan, no? Okay, the same pero lalagyan nyo lang ng F, no? Before X. May F siya because we're dealing with the frequency. Did you get it? Nakuha? Okay, lalagyan nyo lang ng F, no? Do not be so afraid to explore yourself, no? Explore what you can do so much about those, no? Kahit meron yung formula. Huwag kayong patinag, no? Kaya ko yan, sabihin nyo sa sarili nyo. 12:31 na. Okay, so gutom na yung may-ari ng bahay, si Ma'am Mylene. Okay, narinig nyo siya, no? Pakita ka kasi dito, madam. Yung mga dati mong estudyante. Okay, let's go. Okay, later on Monday, okay, magkakaroon na tayo ng histogram, no? Of course, we cannot actually, how to actually picture the skewness, no? Hindi natin maintindihan. Paano siya nag-skew to the left, right, no? Okay, magkakaroon tayo ng histogram, no? Okay, I will discuss that on Monday. We are going to actually use the Excel itself, no? Again, no? And then I'll show this how histogram works for you, no? Paano yan, sir? Okay? Aside from the histogram, I also discovered this one, no? A chart from your Excel. Insert, no? Frequency. This is cluster frequency, no? See, meron siya. Meron siyang parang bar type na ganyan. And it can create almost, no? Okay, a curve that is based on the normal distribution. Ganyan siya. Hindi nga lang siya soft edges, no? It's not soft edges, but you can make it, no? You can actually customize it, insert, and then okay, deal with this shape, no? Okay, pwede mo siya override. Ang tawag yan sa amin sa accounting, override, no? Okay. Tsaka rin yung okay. Tsaka rin yung Excel dito, no? Kasi nga Windows 7. Ano ba yan, May? Windows 7? Windows 10 na dapat. Okay, sige. Okay na tayo? Okay. Okay na ba tayo? Yung assignment, hindi ko siya na-check, no? Hindi ko na-check. Hindi ko na-discuss. But I want you to explore this. Sige, no? Explore again this one. As discussed by Sir Rommel, ito. As discussed by Sir Rommel, there's two ways in presenting this one, no? The old one that we are doing in Excel, and then do this in Excel also. Compare the two, no? And then you can have this, having this one formula the same, no? And then, sige, I'll send you my lecture, the file itself. And then, of course, your assignment. Okay, ito siya, no? Okay. Others are very genius, no? Sir, walang interval there. Can I make an interval? Because I'm seeing this as a group data and I need interval. I'll need a class size. Very good, no? Okay, gumawa sila ng class size. From 1 to 3 to 4 to 6, so bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Okay? So, gawa kayo ng group data. Okay. So, if you think you can actually revise your work, okay, do that again, that assignment, no? But of course, I'll give points to those who pass their assignment today, no? Okay na tayo? Okay na. Expect a quiz offline today. If not today, until tomorrow, no? Okay, sige. Bye-bye. Sino absent? Wait lang. Pag di nag-present sa messenger, absent. Alam ko, gutom na kayo. Ano si Nyampong? Who is absent today? If you do not type present in your messenger, you are absent. Bye-bye, class. See you on Monday.